Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of fractions, specifically focusing on how to convert the fraction 4/7 to a decimal. Converting fractions to decimals is a fundamental math skill that can be surprisingly handy in everyday life. To convert the fraction 4/7 to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. In this case, we want to convert 4/7 to a decimal. So, we simply divide 4 by 7. The answer we get is 0.571. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 4 as the dividend and 7 as the divisor. Initially, 7 doesn't fit into 4, so we add a decimal point in our answer and append a 0 to 4, making it 40. How many times does 7 go into 40? Exactly 5 times. We write 5 after the decimal point in the quotient. Multiplying 5 by 7 gives us 35. When we subtract 35 from 40, we get a remainder of 5. Next, we add another 0 to the remainder, making it 50. How many times does 7 go into 50? It goes in 7 times, which we write next to the 5 in our quotient, giving us 0.57. Multiplying 7 by 7 gives us 49. We subtract 49 from 50 to get a remainder of 1. We continue this process, adding another 0 to bring down and divide 10 by 7, which goes in 1 time, hence adding another 1 to our decimal, making it 0.571. We stop at 0.571 for this explanation, but if we continue the division, we would find that the digits after the decimal point start to repeat, forming a recurring decimal. In the case of 4/7, the decimal repeats the sequence 571,428 indefinitely. However, for many practical purposes, rounding to 3 decimal places is sufficiently accurate, which is why we've stopped at 0.571. So, there we have it. The fraction 4/7 converted to a decimal is approximately 0.571. Understanding this conversion helps us see fractions in a new light, making them easier to use in all sorts of calculations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button. For more math tips and conversion guides, don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.